Bye, bitch. Chat, I'm scared. Chat, if y'all haven't subscribed to my YouTube, it's in the Twitch bar.
Tragedy and despair have struck Central Texas. A young college student named Maria Flores has seemingly vanished without a trace. She was last seen near the town of Newt more than 2 weeks ago. But with no physical evidence, the investigation has stalled. With few leads and even less hope, Maria's younger sister Ana Flores and a group of her closest friends set out to find their missing loved one. But any grief or sadness caused by Maria's disappearance would pale in comparison.
Bro, this is about to be scary as shit, bro. I've seen videos of it.
What awaited
the
this
animations look really creepy.
Was a nightmare beyond belief. The events surrounding Maria's disappearance would be just one of the many bizarre crimes later known as the Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
Oh, can't wait to fucking chainsaw and rip their guts out. You best believe I'm being Leatherface first round, bro. You best believe I'm being Leatherface first round. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. Alright. Fuck, dude. Chat, hold on. Let me do something real quick. I'll be 5 seconds. Hold on. Bro, I'm fucking shaking right now. I'm ready to play this shit. Hold on, I gotta change my graphics, bro. My video's kind of laggy. Alright, hold on. Full screen. Alright, I'm changing all this to medium. Alright. That should be less laggy now. It's kind of less laggy. Alright, input. Audio. Okay. We should be Gucci, bruh. Alright. Customization. Oh, so what is this? Oh, damn. These are all like the survive. Oh, look at this bad baby, bro. Damn, they got Leatherface. They got like skins for him yet? Loadouts. They do, bro. They got the pretty woman and the old lady. Damn. Alright, bro. Victims. Play as family.
You're part of the family now.
Oh, shit.
Secure the property and stop victims from escape.
Oh, shit. Chat, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know the controls, but I should have looked at the fucking controls, bro. But whatever. We're gonna learn as we go. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Alright, bro. Sissy, y'all are all level 0s. Imagine being level 0, bro. I'm level 1. Don't let that 0 fool you. They hacked my level. Alright. Wait. Family? Oh, so it's like a group of killers, bro? It's not just one person? What the fuck? Is that how it works? So it's like multiple killers. That's stupid as fuck. I thought it was just one killer, but whatever. Come on, bro. I wanna be this bitch. Chat, this is about to be scary as shit. I want to get a game of Leatherface in, bro. Oh, shit. Put me in, baby. Put me in, baby. Damn, this shit takes forever to load, bro. Oh shit, chat.
Suspected food poisoning have led authorities to recall all meat.
Oh shit.
Meat packing facility outside Coleman.
Oh.
Turn led to the arrest of plant supervisor.
Oh, what the fuck?
40-year-old Austin admitted some of the ground chuck produced by the facility had become.
Oh, he about to eat that bitch. Oh, you like that, baby? Oh, he dead, bro. I'm this crazy fucker.
This is gonna be fun.
I know I can.
What the fuck is this game, bro?
I know Grandpa thinks I'm the best. The best.
Come on, bitch.
Inside yourself or your father. All is one, all is none, all is none.
I'm just gonna follow this person, bro. Fuck. Turn the power supply on and activate. Chat, am I going the right way? Oh, I'm not. Okay. Oh, fuck. Alright, who's ready to get their dick cut, bro? Someone's already dead. Fuck. Oh, Grandpa. Oh, shit, bro.
You ever had head cheese? It's good.
Yeah.
Show ya.
I've had fucking... Oh, shit.
Come on out, little piggy.
Come on, try me, bitch. So it's kind of like Dead by Daylight in a way, right?
I ain't leaving now.
Can't run from me! I'll slit all your throats. Bro, everyone is about to get
What
this.
is all the others doing? Why is this dragging out?
Facts, bro. Why is it dragging out? Bro, chat, where the fuck is everyone? Damn, chat. Try me, I dare you. You can hide, but you can run. Can't hide from the dick muncher. Did I just come from here, bro?
I'm sick of eating scraps. We gotta find them.
Where the fuck are they, bro? They're down here. They're not. Come on, bitch! Oh, shit. Come on, bitch! Bitch! Oh, you like that? You dead, bitch! You're dead! Grandma's gonna love you!
Fight over here.
Hey, Leatherface! Hey, buddy! I slotted her titties for you. Now you can use that as a mask for you. Use your foreskin or whatever. Damn, bro, that's a badass killer, bro. I should have been here. Uh-huh. I hear someone.
Whoa. Why I gotta do everything in this family?
That's facts, bro. Let's feed Gramps. Let's feed him our penis blood.
Here you go, Grandpa.
Oh, he likes that. Grandpa fed. So what happens when he's fully fed? Does he like come and kill everyone and like you can't escape it?
Oh, love, my love, look at your love. Oh,
Bro, this game is fun as shit.
my love.
Come on. You can run. You can't hide. You can run. But you can't hide. I'll put this up all you assholes. I have a knife in IRL too. Oh, I hear someone screaming. Come on. Come on. Try me. Turn this off, bro. Try me. Bro, I want to kill all these fuckers. Oh, I see someone. Come on! You stupid bitch! Oh, you run! You better run, bitch! I'm about to do you fucking dirty. Nobody does that to me, bitch. Wow, he escaped. That same fucker that hit me, bro, escaped. You suck! Damn. Damn, bro. Uh-huh. Damn, bro, he's so a brain, bro. Hey, I killed someone, dude. Next match. Let's do another match as a killer, and then we're gonna play as like fucking. I want to play as Leatherface though, bro. Oh, chat. Damn, bro, this game is creepy as shit. Oh, shit. No. I'm the killer. Yes! I'm Leatherface, bitch! I'm gonna kill all these fuckers, bro. I'm gonna kill all of you. Bro, I just know they're fucking scared out of their mind after I said that shit. Pre-W chat. Pre-W chat. Chat, we're gonna do a game of him, and then we're gonna play as the fucking, the survivors after. Pre-W chat.
Search continues in 𝐻𝐻𝐻 County for
Oh,
the
shit.
University of Texas student. The sheriff's department says Maria Flores, a native of Uvalde, was last seen near the town
Bro.
of Newt. The vehicle was recently discovered abandoned.
All these fuckers are gonna be dead.
Reporting no signs of foul play. Authorities are hopeful that the expanded search in nearby Harlow and Chinatown will unearth the lead. Family
They ain't ready, bro. Oh shit. I gotta get the fuck out of here, bro. Where the fuck am I? How do I get out of here? How do I get out of here? Oh shit. Alright, I gotta get the fuck out of here, bro. Where do I go? Oh, dude, fuck. It spawned me in such a weird area. I hear someone. Come on. What? Wait, how do I use this? How do I use this, bro? Oh, I see. Come on, bitch. Fuck, dude. I missed the easy ass kill.
Now, where did you go?
Come on. Come on, baby. Bitch. Did I hit her? Bro, already? You can run. You can hide, bitch. Damn. Wait, what the fuck? I can't touch that? Damn. Move, bitch. Come on, bro. I want to kill someone. I want to kill someone. Hold down final victim, bet. Already? Damn, that was fast. Fast ass game, bro. Come on. Try me. So can we like put people in here, bro? Oh shit. I'm just looking for someone to kill, bro. Let me kill someone, bro. What's up?
Where y'all run off to?
Oh shit. Bro, where the fuck is this last fucker at? Oh! Blood collected. This fucker's hiding like a pussy, bro. Uh-huh. Chat, I guarantee he's down here. I guarantee he's in the, like, the basement or whatever. Damn, he escaped. Wow. Damn. Alright, chat. One more game as killer. One more game as killer. Dude, that wasn't fair because I didn't know how to play at first. Oh shit. Damn, chat. I gotta fucking kill them next game. Oh my Leatherface, bet. Alright, bro, we're gonna win this shit. We're gonna win this shit. Uh-huh. Pre-W chat. Just ready up, bro. Leland. Bitch.
The search continues in 𝐻𝐻𝐻 County for a missing University of Texas student. The Sheriff's Department says Maria Flores, a native of Uvalde, was last seen near the town of Newt. Her vehicle was recently discovered abandoned.
Oh, here we go, bro.
Reporting no signs of foul play. Authorities are hoping that the expanded search, like Harlow and Chinatown, will unearth new leads. Family and friends.
Oh, damn. We're about to fuck these fuckers up, bro. Come on! You can run! You can't hide your pee-pee from me! Oh! I hear someone! What the fuck? Come on! Alright, bro. Let's go up. Let's go up. Come on! Bro, where are these fuckers at? Oh, I gotta get that fucking cow testicle blood. Bro, playing as the killer is low-key kind of hard. Grandpa's in danger! Don't you dare hurt my grandpa, bitch! We got a problem now, bitch. Bro, where the fuck is everyone, dude? So there's really like one map so far? There's only like one map in this game so far? Oh, yep. I'm about to kill this fucker. Come on, bitch! Come on, bitch! Come on, bitch! Damn it! Damn it! Fuck. Come on, bitch, you can run! You can run! Come on! Bye, bitch! Don't you ever mess with Gramps. Chat, I'm the best player ever. Oh, we gotta fucking give blood to Gramps. Fuck, dude. Feed Grandpa. Feed him. Oh yeah. Ha ha ha! Where's this last fucker at, bro? Generator turned on? Fuck. I hear someone. I heard someone, bro. Where at, bro? You guys think he's in the basement? Shit, dude. Where the fuck is the last fucker at, bro? Oh shit.
Time to feed Gramps.
Yeah.
Here you go, old man.
Where the fuck is this last fucker at, bro? Where the fuck is this last fucker at? I need Gramps' blood. I already got 1 kill, guys. I wonder where he's at, bro. I wonder if he's in the basement or not. Probably not. Oh, it's just one of us. I thought that was someone. Oh, there he is! Come here, baby! Come on! Go, go, go! Move! Come on, bitch! You can run! You can run! Fuck. Damn it! He escaped, bro. Fuck. Damn it, dude. Where's the stairs, bro? Fuck. Chat, I can't find the fucking stairs to the basement. I forgot where it was. Wait, what the fuck? I got you, Gramps. I got some blood.
One of these buggers is really sneaky.
Oh yeah. You can run, you can hide.
Oh, I found him.
Hell yeah, bro. We need some meat. GG's. Bro, I gotta kill, guys. I gotta kill his Leatherface. Fuck yeah. Alright, chat, let's play as the survivor now.
You've been captured by the slaughter.
Alright, bro, we're about to be a fucking victim. We'll do like 2 games of the victim, then we're gonna call it the stream. And then I'll stream later tonight, obviously. Alright, bro. Pre-W chat. Pre-W chat. Actually, I think I'm just gonna do 1 game as a survivor. I don't know. I think I'm just gonna do 1 game. Because being a survivor is kind of boring, low-key. I actually enjoyed being the killer. This game's easy as fuck, though, chat. Like, it's not that hard. It's pretty self-explanatory, you know? It wasn't as, like, complex as I thought it would be. Play Dead by Daylight? I might play it later tonight. I've already played it on stream like twice, so I made a whole video on it, bro. I make videos of every stream, chat, so check it out on my fucking YouTube. I make videos of every stream. Of every game I play. I'm gonna do 1 game of Survivor, then I gotta call it for now, and then later today I'll fucking stream. Like I always stream at night, but this was a very rare stream. I like never stream during the day, but today was the exception. Only because I want to be like one of the first to play this shit. Takes forever to load, bro. Holy shit.
Continues in 𝐻𝐻𝐻𝐻 County for a missing University of Texas student. The Sheriff's Department.
Here we go, baby.
Native of Uvalde, last seen near the town of Newt. Was recently discovered abandoned. Officials reporting no signs. Authorities are hopeful that
I'm gonna mute this fucker, bro. Holy shit, way less quiet now. I get the fuck out of here, bro.
I have to find the others.
Fuck, dude. I gotta get the fuck out of here.
Oh, what's this?
No!
Yes.
No! 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 Come on! Let me out! How does this work? How do you do this, bro? Chat, how do you do this? Oh, I see.
How do we get out of here? Think.
To a broken fox.
Open. What do we have here?
How do I get the fuck out of here, bro? Go! 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 No! 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 Please! Please! No! Ah! Don't blast my dick! No! No!
Jules, it's me, Leland.
Oh fuck.
I know my friend's George being violent, but I got no choice here.
Fuck. I don't know what to do. Chat, what are we supposed to do? Fuck.
Please, it's sharp.
Chat, how the fuck do we get out of here?
I gotta stay focused. Gotta get out of here.
Nope, 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 nope.
Be more careful.
Ah! No! No! Ah! Bitch!
Anything to numb the pain.
Fuck! No! Oh no!
Seriously? This shit hurts.
Chat, I don't know where to go. Yo, 𝐿𝐵𝐿, what's up? Welcome to the chat, man. Welcome to the Reaper family. Subscribe to my YouTube, link in bio, Twitch in bio. Check out my music as well, 𝐶𝐳Boy. Oh, fuck, dude. Maybe I help out with your Twitch custom graphics some more. Fuck, dude. No. No. Shit, dude. Fuck. What's your Discord? I'm sharing perks right now, man. Right now I'm straight. You know, I'm already working with someone else on it, but I appreciate it, man. Fuck. Oh no. Yes. Damn, GG.